Hey loves, welcome back to another video. For today we are going to be doing our January Boxycharm unboxing. As usual, I have the base box, so that is what we're going to be talking about. Before we get into what exactly is in here, testing some things out, seeing what it's all about, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. We're so close to hitting 1,000 and I want to do a little giveaway for you guys when we do, so please make sure to hit the subscribe button. But if you want to see me review the January Boxycharm box and see what I got in here, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I've already cut this little slit open, and as usual, I haven't peeked in here yet. This just came in today, so I'm filming it right now. And I don't know what's in here. Just like always, I like to make sure that it's like a total surprise so that I don't know what I'm getting beforehand. I want to be surprised to see what's in here, so yeah, that's basically it. This is the January box, obviously, and as usual, the top just says Boxycharm, and when you open, it has the Instagram handle and the hashtag, and then another cute little Boxycharm logo. So for this box, let's see, I'm not peeking. I'm gonna just go in order from what it says on the card, and then we will see what I got in the box. I'm hoping for some good ones this month because the past few months have been really, really good. So I have high hopes. We will see. But the first product is from CIATE London, and it is the Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So this says, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallic, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. And it says that this palette goes for $30, so really good pricing if you ask me for an eyeshadow palette. But let's just dig into this. Ooh, I really like the color of this. It's cute. So it's like this cute little mauve-y color, and then when you open the box up, if I can open the box up, but yeah, same pretty mauve color, and it's like this goldish wording. It just says CIATE London, and then when you open it up, ooh, okay, this is probably one of the most creative looking palettes that I've seen in a hot minute. You know, like most brands just do either like that long with 2 rows kind of palette with like the circle shades or with like square shades, and it's always like the same thing over and over. But this has some flair. Like, look at this. I love the little pattern of all of these shades. It's just really, really pretty. So I'm excited. I want to get into swatching these, so I'm just gonna dip into them, put them on my fingers, see how they look, and then I will be right back. So give me just 1 minute and I'll show you what they look like. All right, I just swatched all of these, and I really, really love all of the colors that are in here. I feel like all of these shades are ones that I would use and I would kind of grab for more often than other shades, just because they're all kind of more like warm toned. They're kind of on the pinkier side, which I love. So they're definitely in my personal shade range, but they don't swatch very well. Like, I feel like they're not, sorry, my elbow is like recovering from spray tan, but yeah, they're not the most pigmented. They didn't swatch too great. Like, I was almost a little bit disappointed because when I was dipping my fingers into each one of them, they were all super buttery smooth and really nice to touch. But when I swatched them on my actual arm, they didn't really do that much for me. Like, I feel like none of these are really wowing me. They're just kind of like dull. When you look at them in the actual palette, they look very, very like vibrant and beautiful, but then when you see them on my arm, you're like, oh, okay, whatever. So that's just kind of how I feel about them. I do really love this packaging though. I think it's really pretty. I love the fact that the packaging on the inside, the way the shades are presented, is really unique compared to kind of what's been out there recently. So that I do really love, and I love how soft and smooth they feel. I just feel like the colors aren't showing as well when you actually touch them and put them on yourself. So I don't know, maybe let's just test one out and see how it looks on my eyes. Let's do this shade right here just to see if it does anything more for me. Am I amazed? No. I don't know how well you guys can see. It's not really the most pigmented even when I put it on my eyes. Like, it is a really pretty glittery shade, but it's not anything that's like, wow, like standing out to me. I feel like I have shades that do better. So I love the idea of the palette. I just feel like the formula needs to be a little bit more, like the shades need to be more pigmented, you know what I mean? Because I don't want dull colors on my eyes. If they look this pigmented in the palette, I want them to be looking like this when I'm actually applying them as well, and it just didn't happen that way. So we'll see. I have to play around with it a little bit more. Maybe my opinions will change, maybe not. The next product is from FARMACY. I have heard of that brand. It is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I am definitely gonna be using that tonight because I need something for my pores. It has just not been good lately. And this is huge. I was not expecting that. Sorry, I forgot to read the description. It says, an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin, and it goes for $28. So my skin is dry to normal. I don't know how well that's gonna work for me, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Maybe it'll work out better. This packaging, this is actually pretty heavy, you guys. There's a lot in here. There's 4 fluid ounces in here. That's big. And I really like the packaging of this. I think it's super clean and pretty looking. Like, this would look good on your bathroom counter. And I like the little green color that it's giving off too. It literally smells like nothing, which is good. I just want to put a little bit on my hand and see how it feels. I really like that none of it spills out when you do this too. It makes it a lot less messy, but let me just, okay, so it feels like a regular toner. It literally just feels like not sticky or anything, and it dries down really quick, just like a regular toner. Smells like nothing though. I don't know if I have really that much of an opinion for now, because it's not like I can like try this on camera for you guys and give you like a full-on opinion. This is just a first impression, but I love the idea of this, and I've been breaking out like crazy lately, so I've been needing something to help me with breakouts and gross blemishes and pores and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna play around with this and see what it does for my skin. Hopefully it doesn't break me out or anything. So we'll see, but I have high hopes. I think, at least for right now, the packaging is really cute and I like the way it felt on my skin. So that's all I have to say for now. I will keep you guys posted though, so another good reason to subscribe so you can hear more about my future opinions on these products. But the next product that we have on our list is from Laura Geller. It's the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. It says, this illuminator duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. The left shade shimmer is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade sparkle is a high intensity sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. I freaking love that description. That just makes it sound so good. So I have high hopes, Laura Geller. And this goes for $33, so pretty standard pricing for like a highlighter duo, I would say. But let's just take it out of the packaging. It's little too. It's really cute and little. So right off the bat, just looking at it, I'm like, this is what it looks like when you see it. It's not like anything that's super, super shimmery, just like looking at it like this. It looks a little bit dull, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna swatch this and we'll see, maybe it'll make a difference. So I'm dipping into the light shade. It is pretty buttery though, like it feels pretty good. Okay, so the darker shade doesn't feel as like smooth and buttery. It feels a little bit more, I don't wanna say scratchy, but not as smooth, if that makes sense. And it's not pigmented at all. Okay. So the light shade, I love how it feels. This is the light shade. It's light, definitely, but it's not really giving me like a shimmer or a glow or anything. It just kind of looks a little bit powdery on my hand. I don't know how well it's picking that up, but it's not really shimmery at all. This darker shade is just like nothing. Like you can't even tell it's there pretty much. Like this light shade, you could definitely at least tell it's there. It's just kind of dry. But this shade, it's like this really, really subtle sparkle and it's like hardly there. I can barely even tell it's on my hand and there's barely a shimmer to it. So I don't know about it being a high def glow. I'm not really feeling it right off the bat, to be totally honest with you. I will play around with it more. Maybe my opinion will change, but as of right now, this is kind of a no for me. But we'll see. The next product that we have, okay, this one is expensive. This is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Yes! I have been needing a new eye cream, you guys. If you've been with me for a while, you've probably heard me mention a few times that I have been on the hunt for a good eye cream that I really enjoy and that really works for me, because I haven't found anything that has really wowed me at all. So I've just been using the Ordinary, it's like a serum almost, it's like their caffeine serum, and I really do like that. But I'm still kind of in the earlier stages of using it, so I don't have like a set opinion of it yet. But I'm really hoping that this one is good. But I'm also kind of hoping it's not good because it's expensive, so we'll see. But it says, this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. And it goes for $82 for an eye cream. Let's see what it's all about. Maybe it's worth it, maybe it's not. Let's see. Obviously, I can't tell you guys if it's worth it or not because this is just a first impression. It takes a hot minute to see, especially if an eye cream is worth the money. So I will definitely have to keep you guys posted on this, but let's see how much is in here. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. $82. That's expensive. I like the packaging though. It's definitely like signature Dr. Brandt packaging, and I love Dr. Brandt products. Everything I've ever tried from Dr. Brandt, it has been really good. So I do have high hopes for this. I get the feeling that I'm going to like it, but then again, I'm not 100% sure, so we'll see. Everything else I've tried though, I've really, really liked. So let's just squeeze some out onto my hand and see what it looks like, how it feels. Nice. So this is what it looks like. I just dotted a tiny bit onto my hand. It's like this white cream. It's not runny in the slightest. It doesn't move. And when I rub it in, it feels really nice. Like, okay. It feels nice, but it dries down really quick. Yeah, it dries down really quick. Like the more like I was rubbing it in, it just felt like it dried down really, really quickly. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I want to test it out and see. Maybe it'll be a good thing. I like that it's fragrance free. I don't really have much else to say about it though. All I can say is that the products I have tried from this brand have all impressed me, so I would hope that this does the same thing. But I am really happy that I have an eye cream that is hopefully going to help with wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, which are all issues for me on my under eyes, especially the dark circles. And the last product that we have is from BALI BALM. I actually haven't heard about that brand before, but it's their sweet orange and coconut lip balm. That sounds nice. It says essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. I don't know why the word supple bothers me. That's gross. Anyways, this goes for $33, so expensive for a lip balm. Very expensive for a lip balm. This is pretty cute. It looks like... This packaging is very, like, to me, I don't know. Maybe it's just the colors. I'm a big packaging person, and this is not, like, drawing me in, you know? Like, I feel like the green and the orange together are just not my thing for a beauty product. But let's see how this feels on my hand. I'm dipping some out. Oh, okay. I was expecting this to be like a clear, really oily kind of thing, but it's not really. It's like this off-white kind of cream, and it's not runny. Like, it's not moving out of place at all. Oh, but when you rub it in, it does turn into like a kind of oily thing, but it's not thick. Like, you know how with some balms they're extremely thick, like the Sunday Riley's one, even though I absolutely love it, it's so thick, and this is not at all. It's super thin, but it feels really, really like moisturizing and just like oily, but in a good way. And it smells good. It smells coconutty, but it almost reminds me of like applying sunscreen in the summer. I love that smell though, because it reminds me of summertime and being on the beach, the good days, so I like that. But we'll see. So far, smell, consistency, everything is really nice. If you don't care about packaging, try it out. It just is expensive, so I will have to keep you guys posted on what I think about this. I think I'm gonna use this tonight too, because it's winter and it's very cold where I live. So anything to keep my lips moisturized, I will take. So yes, this is coming to me at a very good time. But that is all 5 products for today's box. I would say overall, I'm not as impressed as I have been the past few months, just because off of a first impression, just seeing some of the products and like how they swatched and how they felt, how they looked and everything, it just wasn't really dazzling me how it usually does. So they can't all be winners, I know that, so I'm not really like sad or disappointed, but I'm definitely gonna have to work a little bit more with these and see how they do with future application, because I don't know, some of them just didn't really impress me. Some of them I'm definitely very excited to use more and more, so I'm gonna play with them and I'll keep you posted as usual. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It was definitely an interesting one, to say the least. I feel like I got a big variety of products. Like, I got some makeup, I got some skincare. It was a nice kind of variety, and I feel like everything was more up there in price. So I'm definitely gonna be using these. I'm not wasting those expensive products, so they will be used. And I'll keep you posted if I like them or not. But that's all I have. I think I don't have anything else to say for today. I had fun unboxing this one for sure. It was definitely interesting. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please comment. Let me know what you guys thought of the products that I received. If you've tried any of these products, let me know. And also, if you've gotten your Boxycharm box for January, comment and let me know what you got in yours, because I love hearing if we got the same things or if you got something different. So just get down in that comment bar and talk to me. I love to hear from you guys. But yeah, comment, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it just helps to grow the channel, shows support, so it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. But stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.